Hey folks, good evening everyone. This is September 2. Today is September 2, 2016. We just replaced this old water heater. I believe this is like 10-15 years ago, but it comes out to be leaking at the bottom. Kind of like, this is an old one piece here, old piece. And what happened is that the water uncontrollably flowing, dripping down on the bottom, so we need to replace the whole piece. Looks like good and new, but it's like 10-15 years. So in replacement to that, check it out. In replacement to that, with this new Rheem water heater, a 50-gallon water heater, we just installed here with my friend buddy JC Heating and Cooling, with the water heater, air conditioning, heating whatever, and also with PCNXTel.com, Tony Hurtado, Joey Domingo.